Withdrawing money from Big Cartel is very easy to do. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. Firstly, go to the PayPal website and log in to your account. Then find the withdraw or transfer option in your PayPal account. Choose the option to transfer funds to your linked bank account. Enter the amount you want to transfer and follow the prompts to confirm the transaction. Typically, when you make sales on Big Cartel, the funds go to the payment gateway, such as PayPal, Stripe, etc., that you have integrated into your store. To withdraw money, you would need to log in to your payment gateway account, for example, PayPal or Stripe, and initiate the withdrawal or transfer from there. If you encounter any difficulties or have specific questions about the withdrawal process, it's advisable to check the support documentation provided by your payment gateway or contact their customer support for assistance.